Claude Design creates assets in seconds, but there's a catch. Without the right configuration, your designs will look like a carbon copy of everyone else's. If you skip the foundational setup, you're using the same default settings as every other user, resulting in generic outputs that lack a unique identity. We can fix that. In the next 6 minutes, we'll build a custom brand kit, generate a tailored slide deck, and create an animated data graphic. Spending these 6 minutes ensures that Claude operates within your specific branding rules, giving you a custom setup for every future project. Step 1 is establishing a design system. This acts as a permanent, personalized kit that Claude references whenever it builds something for you. You provide the inputs. You can upload a screenshot of your website, a logo file, or paste your text-based brand guidelines. You drop them right here into the initial setup menu. Claude takes about 5 minutes to process these files, translating your loose assets into a set of structured design rules. This visual map shows the result, a highly organized palette of typography and color choices. You must review this mapping. Click each element to confirm the colors match your brand, and check flashing indicators to correct the system if it flags a mismatched font. Now we put that foundation to work inside the slide decks workspace. This split screen shows a common mistake. You must explicitly select your new design system from the drop-down menu. If you leave it on None, your presentation reverts to the default style on the left, ignoring your brand entirely. With your brand selected, upload a raw text outline and type a prompt directing the system to build the presentation. The system will pause before generating to ask clarifying follow-up questions. You will need to specify your desired slide count and how the content should be framed. Once you have a draft, the refinement phase begins. The top toolbar provides 3 editing methods. The first mode is tweaks. Use this for global changes, like toggling the entire deck into dark mode or swapping the overarching accent color. The second mode is edit. This provides granular manual control. You can adjust individual text blocks, alter font sizes, or expand element padding. The third mode is comment. This allows you to direct the AI to execute complex revisions. You highlight a section, type a prompt, and the AI generates new creative elements, like adding custom graphics directly to the slide. Navigating these 3 editing layers gives you final authority over the design. You're providing the specific feedback required to move a draft toward a finished product. We can also move beyond static presentations. Using the Templates menu, you can convert boring chart data into dynamic motion graphics. You start by uploading a static image of your chart. Then, write a prompt instructing the system to represent the data as a competitive race. Watch this animation. The static data points are now moving elements. The blocky humanoid figures sprint forward, shifting positions as their relative percentages increase. Generating animations is impressive, but there is a restriction you need to monitor. Claude Design operates on its own independent weekly usage limit. Processing complex assets, like these motion graphics, drains this limit much faster than standard text or static slide generation. You cannot check this cap inside the editor. You have to navigate outside of the design interface, open the standard Claude app settings, and click on the Usage tab. Treat this usage limit as a strict complexity budget. Monitoring it prevents you from running out of credits in the middle of a project. Let's review what we have created: a fully branded presentation deck and a custom motion graphic built from your own data. The final step is exporting your work. You can download the asset as a PDF or PowerPoint or send it straight to Canva. Once exported, hit Duplicate to save the file as a reusable template. Saving this template removes the friction from future projects. The next time you need a presentation, your total creation time will drop to seconds. The result of this setup is a repeatable system. Your visual identity is now built directly into the tool for every future project you start.